Hello guys, Craig Newton here. I will show you my Knex ball machine. This is update 1. Yeah, this is update 1. It has 5 lifts on this machine, and it has 1 separator on this machine as well. So I will show you a couple few lifts and 1 separator. I will show you that. So you did see that lift, that small lift right there, and that chain lift right there, and also that lift down there. So that's 3 lifts you've seen. Well, you probably did. You probably seen it, but what you didn't see, which is this lift. That's the 4th lift. So is this lift right there. That's the 5th lift right here. So about last time it was about 3 lifts, but that's only I can explore machine per few it was, and some difference right now innit? Yeah, some difference right now. So okay, let's get started then. Here's a 4th lift right here. I have no idea what I'm going to call it. It's brand new anyway, this lift right here. Well, it's actually built my own lift actually. It's actually made it my own. So yeah, I use a plug-in motor. So here's a plug thing you just put through. Yeah, it's on. Yeah, the gears are spinning, and these two are going up and down like that. So here's Knex balls right here. It starts here and then it's just up this track right here. So okay, let's put the ball in there. There we go. Okay, and there. On that track there. Up that one track there. And then it's just on this lift right here, so I'll show you that one again. There you go. Up there. So that's the 4th lift. Right there. I'll just drop it down the floor. Okay, I take one of them out. There we go. Now the 5th lift. I haven't built this lift before, so that's my first time building this type of lift. This lift is called a helix lift. So yeah, it is. So the motor is up here and also the gears, but it's down there, as you can see right there. It just starts here and then it just goes up on this track right here. So okay, let's turn on the motor here. Just goes up like that. There we go. Show you that again. What happened there? Okay, that was the 5th lift. I think the ball was stuck there, I guess. but never mind. Okay, that was only two laughs I shown there. One I'll just show you. It was two laughs. Now I will show you this separator here again, but this time it's only on this bomb machine this time, so you guys probably did seen that. You probably did. I just showing you again because it's on this bomb machine right now. So okay, let's start here. Okay, here's a track right here. Okay, it's just on this path switch. Here's a path switch right here. It's either this way or that way. Whatever which way the ball's going, you know. Okay, let's start here. Okay, it's just comes down here. Okay. As you can see there, it works really well. So yeah, that's it. That's all I'm going to show you in today's video. We're in 6 minutes, but nearly 7 minutes on this video. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. That's all I'm going to show you. Two new laughs. Well, not really new, but yeah, that's all I'm going to show you. 2 laughs and this separator here. Oh, let me fix that. Here we go. Just separate things in that. So I hope you guys enjoy in today's video. It will be update 2, but not until next year. So I don't know what next video is going to be. I don't know. It might be a Knex gun video or whatever. I don't know. I will do Christmas morning video as well. That would be 25th of December it would be. So I cannot wait until that. So I really have to stop the video now, guys. Give this a video thumbs up if you're looking forward to this bomb machine, my 5th Knex bomb machine. I'm Craig Newton, built these Knex creations. I see you in the next video, so don't forget to subscribe content, link to subscription and comes more, so goodbye.